Hey friends, I'm Angela and I'm with Midlife Cruising, and this is our second YouTube channel called Villa Vie Odyssey Rentals and Sales. Today we are sharing a room that is for sale. Unfortunately, one of our residents is having a major health issue and they have to leave the ship. The husband's already gone on, the wife is still here, and she needs to sell her room. So today we're gonna show you a room on deck 6, midship, beautiful, clean. It's in the extension area. It's just an amazing room. So remember, if you hit subscribe, you'll be the first ones to know every time a new video comes out, so you can be first to grab those rentals or the purchases. So come join us. All right, let's look at this room that is for sale on the map. Let's find it. 6062. Very midship, balcony room, deck 6. Very conveniently located to the buffet. Coffee, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or you can go 2 floors down to the main dining room. So we're going to check out 6062, very conveniently located to the stairwell in the middle. And then here, of course, you have the elevators. So let's go check it out. Okay. Alrighty, let's check out room 6062. Remember, we are midship and we are in the new section in a gorgeous, gorgeous room. This room is for sale. It's a balcony room, midship, new section. You just can't beat it. Unfortunately, this lovely lady has to return home. Her husband's not doing well. It's for medical purposes. She needs to go be with her husband. He was here. They can't make it any longer, so they have to leave. So we're going to sell this room for them and help them out. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. And she's beating the current asking price on Villa Vie. If you've been waiting for a balcony, this is it. I have a feeling this one will go pretty quickly. It is gorgeous and clean. See the refrigerator over there. You just can't beat a balcony view. Let's go check it out. We are off the coast of Japan. Just gorgeous. We have a nice desk area. We have the TV 43-inch that swivels. It faces both the chair area, or you can keep it facing the bed. Just a lovely, lovely room. Refrigerator she has stored over here. Your room, you can move things wherever you want. Keeping track of all the things, I love it. We have the 2 XL twins pushed together here. They are up on risers, so it's just bigger than a queen. You can have them separated into 2. Remember, this room is for sale, immediately available. Let's check out the restroom. She has those magnetic shelves up there. She will be leaving those behind for you. Even has the same filter system on the shower like we do. We have not 1, not 2, but 3 closets. We're in that center section. So here in this closet, we have all the shelving and a safe. And of course, the next two closets are for all your hanging clothes. Plenty of storage and room. Also plenty of storage under the bed as it is up on risers. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous room. So let's help this sweet person out. Let's get her room sold so she can go back and take care of her man. The asking price for this room is $310,000. 310,000. That is below the asking price for Villa Vie. And as always, the monthlies must be discussed with the owner. They are inherited from when she originally bought, so I'm sure you'll get a better deal here. Reach out. As always, her information is in the description. Send her a message, make her an offer. Come join us in this most gorgeous room on the Villa Vie Odyssey. And here's your reminder, check the description. Click the word more at the end of the title. It'll expand the description and you can reach out directly to the owner and find out anything you need to know. And remember, we're not allowed to say monthly fee, so you must ask the owner. So make an offer and come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey and eat dinner here in the main dining room with us.